Hello friends, today I will present a glossary of macroeconomics terms with answers. So I will present the MCQs on macroeconomic terms. For question number 1, GDP measures A, the total value of goods produced in a country, B, the total value of goods and services produced in a country, C, the total income of all citizens, D, the total value of exports. Answer is B, that is the total value of goods and services produced in a country. GDP, that is gross domestic product, measures the total monetary value of all final goods and services produced within a country's border in a given time period. Question number 2, which of the following is excluded from GDP? A, government spending, B, net exports, C, transfer payments, D, private consumption. Answer is C, transfer payments like pensions, scholarships, unemployment benefits are not payments for goods or services, hence they are excluded from GDP. Question number 3, real GDP is calculated by A, adjusting nominal GDP for population, B, adjusting nominal GDP for inflation, C, adding inflation to the nominal GDP, D, adjusting nominal GDP for exports. Answer is B, that is adjusting nominal GDP for inflation. Real GDP removes the effects of inflation to show the actual volume of production. Question number 4, the difference between nominal GDP and real GDP is due to A, exchange rates, B, inflation or deflation, C, government policy, D, interest rates. Answer is B, that is inflation or deflation. Nominal GDP is at current prices while real GDP is adjusted for changes in price level. Question number 5, GNP, that is gross national product, is A, GDP plus net income from abroad, B, GDP minus net income from abroad, C, GDP plus taxes, D, GDP minus taxes. Answer is A, that is GDP plus net income from abroad. GNP includes GDP plus income earned by residents from overseas minus income earned by foreigners domestically. Foreigners who earn income in the nation, domestic country, and our residents who earn money overseas is included. But what is subtracted? Income earned by foreigners in our country. Question number 6, which is an example of structural unemployment? A, seasonal workers unemployed in the off season. B, workers